In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly for beginners. Whether you're drafting an important email, crafting an essay, or simply want to ensure your writing is polished, Grammarly is an invaluable tool that provides helpful writing suggestions at your fingertips. Let's dive into how you can get started with it. First things first, if you're not already familiar with Grammarly, it's a writing assistant that checks for grammar, punctuation, and style errors. To begin, open your web browser, in the search bar type Grammarly and hit enter. Once the search results appear, click on the official Grammarly website link. You'll typically see it right at the top. Next, when you land on the Grammarly homepage, you'll notice a button that says Get Grammarly. Click on it to initiate the setup process. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry, it's straightforward. You can either sign up using your email address or continue with your Google account to make registration a breeze. If you've used Grammarly before, simply click on the sign in link and enter your credentials. Once registered, you'll find yourself on the Grammarly homepage. This is your hub for everything Grammarly related. Here, click on Apps in the top navigation menu. You'll be presented with various options to download Grammarly for your preferred platform. For Windows users, click Install for Windows. Follow the installation instructions that appear on your screen. It's quite user-friendly. After installation, click Continue to Grammarly to finalize the setup. For those who prefer using the Chrome browser, there's a simple way to integrate Grammarly directly into it. Return to the Apps section and click Install for Chrome. This will redirect you to the Chrome web store. Here, simply click the Add to Chrome button, followed by Add Extension. In a matter of seconds, Grammarly will become a part of your browser, ready to assist you in all your online writing tasks. For easier access, pin the Grammarly extension to your Chrome toolbar. This allows you to quickly enable or disable it whenever you need. Now it's time to see Grammarly in action. Open Google Docs or any text editor you prefer. To activate Grammarly, click on the small Grammarly icon in the text editor. You'll instantly receive suggestions in real time as you type. Grammarly provides easy to follow recommendations, just click on them to accept changes or see more details. With each suggestion you apply, you'll notice a marked improvement in your writing quality. By following these steps, you're now all set to enhance your writing with Grammarly's powerful tools. Use it regularly, and you'll find your writing becoming more concise, clear, and impactful over time. Enjoy the process of improving your writing skills with Grammarly.